maintain my color, they won't know me again.
They will know you. Hello, my name is Douye, and in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve a subtle look on a mature skin. I'm a professional makeup artist of over 7 years of experience, and to be honest, working on senior citizens are just one of my favorite things to do. I love my banter with them. You know, it's always fun. They always have a clear idea of what they want to look like. The ones that want a subtle look will let you know they want a subtle look. The ones that want to look, you know, extra glam will tell you how they want to look extra glam. For this particular client, she wanted in fact, she almost did not even want the makeup, but her daughter booked my services for her birthday shoot, and you know, I had to deliver. Importance of a very good base, skin base, cannot be overemphasized when working on a matured skin. So I made sure to nourish her skin with enough skin prep products to get ready for all the products that I wanted to apply on her face. And if you want to know the list of products that I use, please drop it in the comment section, and I will gladly, you know, drop the list down in the comment section. I used about 3 different products to ensure hydration on her skin, and you know, to just get her skin plump. And right now I'm applying a primer on her face just to, you know, make sure that the skin is ready to receive my products, and it has like a base. Foundation, you want to ensure that you use not your regular amount of foundation. You know, less is more at this point, so just try your best to blend as little as possible, and you know, ensure that you're able to achieve the coverage that you might be gunning to get. Now, she has a relatively really good skin, so you know, there's not so much that I'm trying to, you know, work on. Right now she's taking a nap, and you know, I don't usually feel the need to keep my clients awake when I'm doing their makeup, you know, so I'm usually fine. If you need some time for yourself during this process, please go ahead. Having your makeup done can be such a, you know, soft therapeutic process, so you know, if you need to relax a bit, go ahead and relax. I won't stop you. Anyways, let me mention one reason why I like working with senior citizens. I never leave their session the same. You know, they always give me some words of advice, or you know, pray for me in ways that, you know, like really touches me, and I'm, you know, it's just always just fun when I'm going back and forth with them. Oh, I want this, and I'm like, oh mommy, let me do this for you. Oh, let me do this for you. And they're like, no, it's too much, and I'm like, no, it's not too much. It's always really fun. At this point, she was already beginning to be concerned at the level of glam that was going on. You know, I told you she wasn't interested in the makeup in the first place, and there was a mirror right in front of her, so she was checking to see, but she trusted me, and you know, I did my thing. I find out that when I'm working with senior citizens, I try to, you know, take them along the process. Like, I'm always explaining, oh, right now I'm blending out the foundation, you know, I'm setting your concealer, I'm setting your face, you know, just a little bit of blush. It just gives them a calmer, you know, feeling. They feel calm a bit. At least they know what exactly is going on. So that's one trick that I use to, you know, try and get them to do more than they actually want to. But, you know, if you insist that you don't want any more, for sure. But like, being the professional, I always try to, you know, tell them what I think would go really well for them. But then again, whatever the client wants, the client gets. But this was such an interesting session because I didn't even believe that she would allow me to do this much. And I was so happy that, you know, she trusted me to this very point. Everything I did here was very subtle and very quick. I think when it came to the skin work, we were really flowing well. You know, setting her face, highlighting and all that. But when it came to the brow, eyeshadow, lipstick, that was when she really had me. Like, she was like, no way, Douye. You are not going to do what you want to do. You're going to do what I want you to do. And, you know, I had to follow her. I mean, she met me halfway. She allowed me. Did not want me doing anything major on her brow, so I just tried to convince her to use a pencil to lightly fill it in. She did not want me to, use a concealer to try and carve it out. She just wanted it like that. As I was doing it, she was saying, oh, it's okay. I was like, okay. Okay, I'm done. Then I was able to convince her to allow me give her some depth on her waterline. Here I was basically just blending out the entire face with her shade of powder. Even for her lips, she said she did not want any color on it, but I was able to convince her to do just a bit, just a tiny bit, And I actually really loved the look at the end of the day. She looked absolutely amazing. She was already beautiful, so this was just like, just some enhancement for photo shoot sake. The Gele artist came to do his thing and mommy was ready and looking absolutely beautiful. I was happy, although she said that I tricked her, but I'm glad that she loved her look and her daughter also loved her look and everybody was happy.